Kisingin mo na si Fred. Masama daw ba karamsam?
Mag-video footage.
Ako sa ng tao. Parang malungkot. Dito kayo sa tabi ng food. Parang hindi kayo happy.
Bakit? Anong nangyari?
Ginising mo na, Fred. Ginising mo na. Ako,
Ako na yan. Sige, tuloy na.
Sige na.
Here.
Sige na, start na tayo.
Kukuha ako ng
Secretariat for Social Communications in cooperation with ASC, System Corporation, Windsor-based, the Philippine Daily Inquirer, St. Peter Life Blood and Charles, Balikbayan
Inom na.
Landman of the
Hindi na. Dahan-dahan, huwag ka naman palakad-lakad kayo.
Pero may mushroom o? Kulang. Sheila? Parang may kapsul.
under the loving days of Mary, the Mother of God and our Mother. Mary gathers
Pero ako
us
si Mr. Bean. Alam mo lang ako si Mr. Bean.
under her care. Let us be
Hello.
her our hopes and fears, our joys and sorrows. And today, we also mark the day for world peace. May the Savior of the world, who bring God's peace to his people, bless all humanity with the gift of peace.
Dapat si Chili ko
Reverend Father Chili and Marcos and speech. And Reverend Father Campbell
Nakasiship ka ba?
and all life and
Oo.
stars and celebration.
sa liping.
Huwag ko palakad-lakad. Ay, natatapon na eh. Sino magkatumaw kaya? Walang palakad-lakad. Paano?
Nag-wish ko muna sa lahat ng mga family member. To everyone.
New Year.
Jared, greet ka. Happy New Year.
Hi.
Happy New Year to all.
New Year.
Michael. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Ka-upload ko to.
Na-upload?
Anong yun? Ay, Nene.
Teka.
Moira.
Alis dyan, Gio. At iyaan natin yung boots nung isa dyan. Look at the boots.
That's 2010 for you.
It's 2010.
The new fashion trend.
Parang winter na winter. Winter na winter.
Turn the winner.
That's the fashion of the day. Yung boots ba? Fashion of the day. Oh, mag-greet na. Dali. I-turn up ko na.
Happy New Year.
Sayang wala kayo lahat dito. Dali. Sayang wala kayo lahat dito.
Nakikita nyo yun? Makikita ninyo to. Tingnan mo parang mga manok na mga ganong kukurok.
Teka muna yung sapatos daw. Para estileto. Pointed na pointed.
May lisensya to. Meron to lisensya.
May license to kill.
At choco.
Ngayon kain na.
Hi, Ate Drian. Hi, Ate Cristel.
Delian and Ate Cristel.
Oh, Cristel, eto na picture ah. Promise ko sa'yo. Oh. At saka si Andrea, eto na yung picture. May bisita, ayun, bisita.
Ate.